Hi everyone, today we're gonna handle this activity. You can see it's a really funny, nice one. There's a wagon with two wheels. So in this activity, what you're gonna learn how you can shade things in AutoCAD, and then how you can create blocks and insert from the insert options. So let's begin, and I'm gonna use A3 template for this activity. So let's take A3 module. So I open X3 template already over here. There is no starting point. You can draw this thing anywhere. So let's begin with this rectangle at 75 and 50. Let me choose rectangle. Let me draw here, click, and this distance 75 length, comma width. I'm gonna put minus 50 because I need it down. Enter. That's it. Now, if you want to make this shade, go to command box and go for solid. So just type SO, you will get your solid command and select that one. And then select the first point, then specify second point, then third point, and the last fourth point. Click. Now you can see made the solid pattern between your selection. So you can manipulate different pattern as per the order of your selection and the way you select it. So you can play on this later on. And down there, what we gonna make two wheels. You can see these wheels look like a donut. In AutoCAD, we have a command called donut command to draw this kind of donut. So to make that donut, go and put a command called DO or donut and enter. You can see the command on the top. Select. Now specify the inside diameter for your donut, which is 20. Enter. And specify outside diameter for your donut, which is 30, and enter. Now you can see the donut is coming with your mouse, and you can take it and put wherever you want. I'm gonna fix it here. Click. And I need one more and still with my arrow. So click. That's it. If you want more, you can place like this, but we just want two donuts. So let me erase it. So this command you can use whenever you need this kind of shape, especially to mark wheels and all. It will be useful. And then we are moving to the next session of activity, how to make blocks. So if you see, if you select this one, this is a single component, this is another one, and this is the last one. There is three components in this sketch. If you want to convert this as a single unit, you can convert this thing into a block. To make blocks in AutoCAD, what you can do, just select everything that you want to make as a block and go to command box and type B. So if you type B, you will get the block command. So select block. Now you will get the block definition, and I'm gonna put this as a wagon. So you can put any name that you wish. And then you have to define the base point of your sketch. So for that, you can choose this option, pick point. Click there. Now you can specify the base point. I'm going to choose this midpoint as base. So click there. Now you can see it's plotted XYZ coordinates of that point and fixed your base point. Some other options, if you want to retain the sketch, if you want to convert this into block, and if you want to convert this into block and delete it. So all these things are specific as per your situation. So as of now, I'm going to choose this one, convert to block, and then put OK. That's it. As now you are not seeing any changes, but once you go here and select this one, you will see the change. Now you can see everything is a single unit. You can easily move wherever you want. This is not about making it as a single unit. The beauty of block is every time you need it, you can insert it. So to insert, you can come over here, the insert option, click there, and you can see there is many other block, but if you move down, you can find your wagon here. So you can pick from that, select and put it here. If you want more copies, go and click insert and put it here, and one more, put it here, and so on. So you can arrange this thing as per your visual idea. There is no dimension, just arrange this thing this way. That's it. And the catch here, If you want to make this kind of pattern, every time you can insert a different pattern. For example, you can select all these things, convert this thing as a single block, and you can insert 4 items at a time, and you can arrange and orient as per your requirement. So it's a very useful tool whenever you need to make some patterns. Now let me connect these things with a straight line. It looks like a train. That's it. Okay. So we managed to finish the sketch. So the thing that you learn here, how to use solid command, then donut command, and how to define blocks and insert block. By doing this activity, you could learn all these things and use these commands wherever that you need. Okay, that's the end of the activity. I will come with another one as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Keep learning AutoCAD.